Hey there, future money makers. Are you ready to make 2025 your most financially successful year yet? Whether you're saving up for a big goal, investing in your future, or simply want to boost your income, today we're going over 5 proven ways to make real money before the year 2025. So, let's dive right in. Method number 1, freelancing and remote work. First up, freelancing and remote work. If you've got a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or marketing, freelancing can help you tap into a global market and earn some serious cash. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are full of clients looking for your expertise. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the willingness to hustle. The best part: you can work from anywhere, anytime. So why wait? Start building your portfolio today and watch the money roll in. Method number 2, start a side business. Next up, starting a side business. If you have a passion or a hobby that you're good at, turn it into a money-making venture. Whether it's crafting, photography, consulting, or even selling vintage clothes online, the options are endless. Websites like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify make it easy to set up an online store and start selling your products. You can start small with just a few items, and as you gain customers, you can scale up. If you dedicate some time to it, your side hustle could turn into a full-time income before you know it. Method number 3, invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Now, let's talk about investing. Whether you're into stocks or cryptocurrency, investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth. Platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Coinbase make it easy to get started with as little as $10. While investing comes with risk, if you educate yourself and make informed decisions, you could see some serious returns. For beginners, start with safer investments like index funds or blue-chip stocks, and if you're feeling adventurous, explore the world of crypto. But remember, always do your research before diving in. Method number 4, content creation and YouTube. Content creation is booming in 2025. If you've got a passion or expertise to share, YouTube and other social media platforms could be your ticket to making money. Whether it's creating educational videos, tutorials, vlogs, or product reviews, YouTube offers multiple ways to monetize your content, through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. It might take time to build a following, but with consistency, creativity, and engaging content, you could be on your way to earning money doing something you love. Method number 5, rent out your assets. Lastly, consider renting out your assets. Have a spare room? Rent it on Airbnb. Got a car sitting unused? List it on Turo. Or, if you have equipment, tools, or even a parking space that's not being used, there are platforms to help you monetize those things. It's a great way to make passive income with very little effort. You're already paying for these assets, so why not make them work for you? So, there you have it, 5 ways to make real money before 2025. Whether it's freelancing, starting a side business, investing, creating content, or renting out your assets, there are so many opportunities out there waiting for you. The key is to take action and start today. Don't wait for tomorrow, your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to level up your life and finances. Thanks for watching, and good luck making 2025 your best year yet.